Hi, my name is Mike Trotter. I'm with the City of Frisco Building Inspections Department. I'm here to show you about a common water waster in the house and show you how to repair it. The common water waster in a house would be the toilet. This is the display of the toilet tank. Shows all the pieces inside, and I'll show you about how they work. So the biggest common waster would be this flapper. The toilet flapper itself has a seal on it, and it goes bad, dries out, and becomes brittle, which causes the water to pass through and leak through the bowl. This causes the water to go down in the tank, which causes the fill valve to refill. With this, the water keeps refilling and keeps wasting water. This is the biggest water waster in the house. Now I'll show you how to replace the flapper. First, by shutting the water off. Now that the water's off, flush the toilet. Be sure that all the water drains down. The flappers are attached to this black part by clipping on. Remove it. It'll have a hook here. It'll come off. The old flapper will go away. The new flapper you get will have ears like this, or it'll actually have circles. Either or, they go over the ears that are here. This one, you press hard down, clicks on both. You set the chain level. The easiest way to set the chain level is to hold it, drop it about a ½ inch, and then set the hook onto the handle. Be sure that the flapper chain is set correctly. As I said, you'll want about ½ inch of a gap on it. Easiest way to check it is just lift the handle up. If it moves a little, then it's good. If it's taut like this, it would be bad. It causes the water to seep through. You want it to have a good seal. Now that you've completed that, you can restore the water at the shutoff. Now that the water is restored, the tank will start filling up. When it fills up, it'll shut off, and as it shuts off, test your work by flushing the toilet. One flush, one finger should be all you need. Anything more, you may have to adjust the handle. As I said, it's either too taut or too loose. Again, my name is Mike Trotter with the Building Inspection Department with the City of Frisco. Thanks for watching.